Here we go. All right, can you see anything? Wait, hold on. We might need some assistance here. No, not like that. Well, I'm gonna put it up here.
Just turn away from sore subjects toward positive things.
Hold on. I don't know if we can see anything. Oh wow, check out the snow. Check it out with my headlamp.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see this blizzard behind us? It's amazing.
Are you recording me?
No, I'm telling you the truth. Look at that. Isn't that amazing?
Is that recording us?
It is. Yes.
Really?
Yes, it's recording.
Us?
We are in the snow and the blizzard.
I'm not in the snow.
Yes, we are. We are. Hold on. I have to bring down
That was swing my fingers froze.
a little snow. No, it is a little snow everywhere. Okay, it's snow everywhere. Okay, I don't know if you got all that, but hopefully. That was backwards. So anyway, I can see the snow. Oh, sorry.
No.
Hold on, didn't mean
That's
to
not
do
the
that.
police coming up behind you.
No, that's just me with the headlamp.
Don't panic.
Me with the headlamp. I don't have to worry about the police. Oh my God! It looks like falling stars, a meteor shower. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Good. I like it.
Oh my God! It's beautiful.
Now it's blinking. Yo, you done ran over the red line. Swerved a little to the left.
No! Here, I'm driving now. I'm driving. Okay, ready? Are you ready, Craig? I'm driving. Okay. No. Look out! Whoa! I can't see in that damn bright lights coming at me. Oh my God!